Are you tired of that 9 to 5 job? Wait, stop scrolling and listen. Sears shut down. Kmart shut down. They're both closed. The biggest department store right now doesn't even own a store. It's Amazon. The biggest hotel chain probably on the planet doesn't even own a hotel. It's Airbnb. It's all off the internet. So you see what I'm saying? You can start your online business, no problem. So just remember, biggest taxi service doesn't even own a taxi. It's Uber. So just think about that. You can start your online business. You can quit your 9 to 5 grind. You can get your time freedom and you get your financial freedom back on track. Just check out the link in the profile. And just remember, you'll get your own advisor, mentor. We're not going to let you fail. We want to see you succeed. Remember, success loves speed. And just think about that.